How many of you had late starts all week last week? Oh, you didn't have it like spring break week or something?
No, we didn't turn into school.
Oh, okay. How cool. That's really fun. I forgot that you guys were doing all that. Now I have to swing through. See it. Mrs. Snodgrass grew up here.
Okay.
So you know her well. She's a teacher.
Okay.
Okay, and then if we.
Norfolk Catholic and St. Mary's.
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks, Maddie. Yeah. We just keep you? Oh, no, not for Catholic. Zion and St. Mary's.
O'Neill, St. Mary's.
That's who's right. Pierce Zion and St. Mary's.
On the right. Oh shoot, sorry. We're on the wrong. There we go. Pierce Zion and O'Neill St. Mary's. Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Are we back on? Yes. Okay.
What do we need to do if it goes off? Okay.
Someone will leave me over in my room, so just let me know.
Okay, so just a reminder that we are on YouTube right now, live for everybody. So. Don't see any on these boards in here, but. Okay, that's the one. Oh, no, sorry. Not everyone has this round either. It's just us and
Correct.
Flex. I think we could just do those others. Just a reminder out in the audience, no talking, please. Thank you. 1 second, I'm checking.
As we advance, remember, as you buzz in, don't respond until called upon. So far, we've been perfect with that.
Yep, the other one started, so.
All right, here we go. Toss up question number 1, round 7. Colonial America. What agreement to make and obey their own laws did the Pilgrims sign before setting foot in the New World?
Zion Lutheran, number 3.
The Mayflower Compact.
That is correct. Here's your bonus question. It is pencil paper. Distribute and combine. Simplify each expression. -10 times the quantity of -8x plus 9 in quantity minus 8x. No response. 72x minus 90 would be the correct and acceptable answer. Question number 2, toss up. Elements. What is the most common chromatic element?
Zion Lutheran, number 1.
Say that again, please. That is incorrect. Here is the repeat for O'Neill St. Mary's. Elements. What is the most common ferromagnetic element?
O'Neill St. Mary's, number 4.
Nitrogen is incorrect. Iron. Ferromagnetic. Let's see. Toss up number 3. War. The crumbling of the Austro-Hungarian Empire led to what war?
O'Neill St. Mary's, number 5.
That is correct. Here's your bonus. Geology. Niagara Falls recedes upriver about 1 to 2 feet each year. In 35,000 years, the falls will have moved far enough to run into which of the Great Lakes? Lake Erie is correct. Toss-up question number 4. Storm weakening. When a hurricane heads towards cooler water and begins to lose force, it is downgraded to what designation?
I understand number 3.
Tropical storm. The tropical storm is correct. Here's your bonus. No. Okay, fractions. Reduced to its lowest terms, the fraction 30 over 72. Time's up, 5/12. 5/12. Okay, toss up question number 5, circular strength test. What track and field event is carried out by an athlete while spinning within a circle 7 feet in diameter and heaving a heavy object?
O'Neill St. Mary's number 4.
Shot put is correct. Hammer throw would have also been accepted. Your bonus is a pencil paper. Scores. Doug's percent test scores in history are 83, 75, 98, 96, and 88. Assuming all tests are equally weighted, calculate the minimum percent Doug needs to score on his 6th and final test in order to achieve a test average of 88%. %. We tried it for 2 minutes and didn't get it, so that's okay. Question number 6, toss up, metallic coating. As a verb, it means to coat or cover with a thin layer of metal. As a noun, it's a shallow dish in which food is served. What is the word?
O'Neill St. Mary's number 5.
Bowl is incorrect. We'll reread for Zion. Metallic coating. As a verb, it means to coat or cover with a thin layer of metal. As a noun, it's a shallow dish in which food is served. What is the word?
Zion Luke number 3.
Played is correct. Your bonus. Long reigning monarch. Which queen ruled Britain for most of the 19th century?
Queen Victoria.
Queen Victoria is correct. Let's see. Okay, toss up number 7. Colonial settlements. In 1784, Grigory Shelikov founded the Three Saints Bay, an early Russian settlement in the region that would eventually become what U.S. state?
Zion Luke number 3.
Alaska.
Alaska is correct. Your bonus is a pencil paper. Distance and speed. Tom left school and traveled toward his friend's house at an average speed of 40 kilometers an hour. John left 1 hour later and traveled in the opposite direction with an average speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Find the number of hours John needs to travel before they are 400 kilometers apart. Correct answer is 4 hours. Toss-up number 8, trial law. What is it called when a lawyer protests the introduction of evidence or certain conduct in the course of a trial? If the judge agrees with the lawyer on that point, he says, sustained.
O'Neill, St. Mary's, number 3.
An objection?
That is correct. Your bonus is pencil paper. Roman numerals. What Roman numerals represents the quotient of 1056 and 22? Correct answer is XL, D, I. Toss-up number 9, neurology. What's the color of the nervous tissue that forms the inner part of the spinal cord and the outer part of the brain?
Zion Lutheran, number 1.
Pink is incorrect. We will reread for St. Mary's. Neurology, what's the color of the nervous tissue that forms the inner part of the spinal cord and the outer part of the brain?
O'Neill, St. Mary's, number 4.
White.
White is incorrect. Gray matter. Question number 10, toss-up, European country. Which nation has its own Alps, use the lira before the euro, and borders Austria?
O'Neill, St. Mary's, number 3.
Switzerland?
Switzerland is incorrect. We will reread. European country. Which nation has its own Alps, use the lira before the euro, and borders Austria? Italy. Toss-up number 11. Equations. What notable equation states that the energy an object produces can be calculated using the mass of the object and the speed of light?
O'Neill, St. Mary's, number 5.
E equals mc squared.
That's correct. Your bonus. Bodies of water. The Cayman Islands are found in what sea?
Atlantic?
Atlantic is incorrect. The Caribbean Sea. So this is our final question of round 7. The score
Is tied 30-30.
Islands. Ecuador's geography ranges from the peaks of the Andes down to the Pacific coast and islands. What famous islands are part of Ecuador?
Zion Lutheran, number 3.
Started the answer before we buzzed, so we will have to reread that. Islands. Ecuador's geography ranges from the peaks of the Andes down to the Pacific coast and islands. What famous islands are part of Ecuador? Galapagos, okay, you had it, you had your idea, you responded before, now do we have to break this time? Is that our understanding?
Yes.
The points don't count, but the win does, or is that only in the pool?
I think we need a tiebreaker. Yeah, I think it's a yes. And so we're gonna pick a tiebreaker from this round, right?
Right. Okay, this is a toss-up, possibly to break the tie. Genetic material. This molecule is made up of the bases adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine.
Zion Luther number 3.
DNA is correct. That's the one.
Okay, so we have Zion Lutheran ends with, because we don't need a
The win.
Yeah, 35, Zion Lutheran to 30 St. Mary's. And Zion Lutheran, you're gonna be right here, wait. Sorry, you're gonna move. We need to just make sure the other room, the other room is done. So Zion Lutheran, you are gonna move to conference, or to the multipurpose room. Yes, it does. It didn't matter in PowerPoint.
I put 35.
So I think it's you. Okay. I think you just put 35. Otherwise, it's okay.
But if we do record it, I'll so find out a winner.
Okay, and if we can get onto that screen, show the Stewart versus St. We got some battles of like the western part of our ESU region today. Atkinson and Stewart teams facing off here today. Okay, well, at least it's now and not like when that's the question, right?
Now I don't know where to go to get to the screen. I'm here.
I don't either. I guess I didn't see that part at all. Sorry. Did you think I wasn't gonna give you one? I really paused.
Oh, I mean, just to get there? Yeah, just to change. I don't want to mess, I don't want to, I didn't see it. Has to be down there somewhere though. That's all tiny icons. It's not here, is it? No, I'm gonna click on the. Do you have Maddie's number?
Yeah.
Oh, and that's great.
Should we just call her?
Yeah, I think so. Be quicker.
Call Maddie before. Do you want my book? I not have all of it. Yeah.
She didn't answer.
Oh, yes? Yeah.
Yeah, we could try her.
Otherwise, we can just announce the score. That's not the biggest
Okay.
deal.
I don't know where it's to be because it's showing.
Yep.
That was like 70.
I don't know.
West Holt, Doug Cubic, Mr. Dostal, all those guys are friends of mine. He stood taught for me about 300 years ago.
Guys, we're just gonna have to announce the score for you. It's just not going.
Okay, Stuart, St. Joseph's, it is round 8, toss-up question. Exploration on his second voyage from 1772. Oops, there we go, do you have the answer? I saw it before, you're right, I saw it, should have had it clear. Exploration on his second voyage from 1772 to 1775, which Englishman led the first recorded crossing of the Antarctic Circle? Captain Cook. Question number 2. Choral music. When two or more voices sing